Hello guys, hope you guys doing great. So today I made $1,700 on my 100K account. So I broke my account to the break even and now it's in the 1% in profit. So as you guys can see, I made a $1,090. And if we go to the account history, these are trades I made on my phase one. So I lost today in the morning $230, then I made 540, 550, then $20, lost 40, $50. Actually, these were the mistakes. I was just coming playing, just touch it, boom, boom, boom. So actually, these were the mistakes. These two losses. They're like 20 and 6. I was kind of playing like here and here, just click it mistakenly. That's why they got it entered. So I entered with 10 lots and run around 102 pips. That's where I was able to make. Oh, that's where I was able to make money as well. So as you guys can see, so my account is now today I made $1,780, so I brought my account to the break even and $1,000 profit, so which means I made 1%, so I have 7% to go. So account history, so these are the trades I took. One hit stop loss, the second hit a TP as well, third trade TP as well, then there was another break even trade as well. After that, these two trades were the mistakes. I could avoid them. I was just playing around here, then boom, just got, it is what it is. So I entered with another 10 lots and I made around 102 pips, which made me $1,020 in profit. So let's go on back to today's price action. So if we go to the 4 hour, in 4 hour, we guys can see we make a breakout structure to the upside. And if I do, oh, in the 4 hour, made a beautiful breakout structure to the upside. So this is going to be my swing low, and let's do our swing highs as well. And this is my swing high. Yeah, so if I do my Fibonacci as well from swing low to the swing high, it touched beautifully demand zone here as well. It almost touched, barely touched the percent of it, which is absolutely fine. It is what it is. We are day traders. We are managing to enter trades in and out very quick, as soon as possible. So that's what we are doing here, guys. Oh. So yes, now let's go to the 15 minutes and see what's popping. So this is the crazy sell we had yesterday, around 400 pips. So this is a 2030 CPI open. So breakout structure. So I came around here. So let's see what happened there. So as you guys can see, in 15 minutes we had a beautiful breakout structure here to the downside. Breakout structure to the downside, and as you guys can see, this is going to be my swing high, and this is going to be my swing low. Okay, and if I do my magic, price just came to 50% of it. That's why the price is kind of moving, trying to sell off and stuff. Now let's go and see what could have done. So price came to that supply zone and touched percent of it, and I did my Fibonacci. So I could have entered more trades as well, guys, here, because the stop loss was just around let me see, 10, 12 pips, I believe. So yeah, I could have entered some in here as well and covering here with a 30 pip stop loss. That could have gave, if I risk $500, that could have been around 30. Now let's say 4 pips. And I target somewhere here, I could have been $6.60. Let's wait here, 1.5. Yes, it hit 1.5 as well. So let's say if I did 4 pips multiplied by 60, that could have been around 200, 2,400. Yeah, that could have been beautiful trade as well. So that's why I entered my trade. I get out, took my profit somewhere here. Then I third trade let it down, so it hit my break even. So it is what it is. So what I understand is I could have entered another trade as well, since we had a CHOCH here, change of characters. Well, if I do my Fibonacci from oh, and if I do my Fibonacci from low to the high as well, I could have entered here. So it could have been a little bit risky, It is what it is. If you go to the line chart, so yeah, but one thing I could have done is, if you guys can pay attention here, we had a crossover, so I could have entered here as well and let the price run. So as you guys can see, price just run at how many pips? The CPI open, that's why price run at around 250 pips, which is crazy. Yes or no, homies? So if I go to the 15 minutes, so we had another beautiful breakout structure to the downside, and I'm waiting for the price to come up here. And I'm waiting for the price to come up here and see a little bit of choke and sell off again badly, or just swing with the market. I don't know exactly what the market is gonna do, but just trade what the market is giving me. So I went to the 5 minute and I was looking at some charts as well. So I saw a beautiful break structure here, break structure downside. So this is going to be my swing low, this is my swing high. But what it did was, instead of coming here, just did a chop inside of the um inside of the swing, and I went to the 1 minute. I could have entered that trade as well, but I wasn't. I was waiting for the price to come up to my Fibonacci level, which was 7.68 at 0.16, which is absolutely fine. And as you guys can see, price. So whenever time I do it from the week to week, guys. I must do the week to week. Even though it's 1 minute, should do the week to week. If I go to the line charge, beautiful chalk. We had a beautiful chalk and entry here as well. Crossover. And beautiful boom average respect, 25 pips stop loss, 2020. I could have made another, let's say, 1.7. If I risk another $500, I could have made around $3,000. That's 500. I could have made another $5,000. So I understand that I must risk $500 and let my trades run. Yes or no, guys? So we had another beautiful breakout structure here as well. Breakout structure to the upside. And I got my swing low here. And this is going to be my swing high. That's in 15 minutes. And now let's go to the 5 minute and do some investigations, I would say. And I do my Fibonacci as well. Price comes to 7.6 at 8.6 and beautiful, it touches it. And if I go to the 1 minute and do the investigation, what we can see, so we had a beautiful chalk here, chalk to the upside. And if you go to the line chart, I can see that as well. So if I do my Fibonacci from low to the high, so let's say I enter somewhere here with a 25, I could make another $2,500 as well. So I understand is no matter what, I need to risk $500 and let my trades run. So rather than entering 10, I could enter with a 20. So let me go and make it 20. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So initially my goal would be targeting here, since that's my swing high, and I'm waiting for the price to take out. And moving average is still close to it, even though it's making crazy consolidation and stuff. So I could enter here. So once my first profit, maybe here as well with a 25 pip, 20 lots, and I try to make it at least 1 to 5, 1 to 6, and I could make another beautiful $3,000 as well. So that's the lessons from today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's been a 9 minutes, so let me talk 1 minute about psychology and stuff. So no matter what, I must risk $500 and let the trades run away. So rather than entering on 10 lots, I better enter on 20 lots. So 20, 40 lots, 60. That's around $2,000. Imagine every time I make $2,000. That could have been beautiful, but it is what it is. It's all about the lessons and stuff, guys. So I'm still learning. I'm applying everything I learned. So rather than enter 10 lot size, I would enter 20 lot size and risk $500 and try to make it a 1 to 5, 1 to 4, so I can make $2,000. $2,000, so $2,500. So that's the main goal. But if I do 20, that could have been even crazy. So it's for $40 multiplied by 150. So let's see how much it's going to be. If I do 20 lots and multiply it by 150, ooh, that could have been $6,000, which is beautiful, 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 man. So if I make $6,000, let's say about 22 weeks, 8 days. Let's say I made 5 days. That could have been $30,000. Multiply 0.80. That could have been around $24,000, guys. So it's been a 10 minute 30 seconds. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get it.